wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to
Dream Again!
Belle.
Yeah.
It's Rapunzel and Tiana over there.
Yeah, they're...
We need to rescue them.
Mm-hmm. How do we do it, Belle?
Yeah, how do we do it, Belle? We need to hurry up because we all want to go to the prom dance.
Yeah, I really want to go to a prom dance. I've never been to a prom dance
Yeah, me too, and I want to dress up.
Yeah, you get to dress up.
Okay, so Belle, what do we do?
We have to go over there and we have to convince Rapunzel to grow her hair out really long.
So she can climb out of the tower.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Wait, what?
But, once she grows her hair long, she can't climb down her own hair. So,
you're right.
Tiana
can climb out. Belle. What? So Tiana, we can get Tiana. What about Rapunzel then?
Rapunzel, we will then we will use the magic well as a stepping stone, the rainbow well, and then Rapunzel can climb down.
Oh, great, brilliant.
Yay!
Okay, so Belle, why don't you climb up to the tower and convince Rapunzel to
grow out her hair?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get her.
Go, Olivia, go!
I'm going.
Rapunzel, Tiana, we're coming. We're going to come rescue you. Don't worry. We're on our way. We're going to make the prom dance. Oh, there you are. Good job, Olivia. That was quick.
Thank you, yeah. Rapunzel and Tiana, are you guys okay? Yes, we're okay. We've just been playing in this tower, waiting for you guys to come save us.
Yeah, we found Belle at the magic rainbow well.
Yeah, see, here's Belle. And Belle has an idea, Rapunzel.
What is it?
It's, Rapunzel, could you please grow your hair out really long? Just think about it. Think real hard about your hair being really long, okay?
Okay, but how will that help us get us out?
Oh, once you grow your hair really long, we're gonna braid it, and then we're gonna throw it out the window, and then Tiana can climb down your hair.
Oh, okay, great. But, okay, let's start doing that.
Okay, so think really hard about growing your hair.
Okay, I will. Ooh! It's growing!
Oh!
Look, it's growing! The hair's growing!
Look how long her hair is now!
Wow! That's amazing.
Yeah.
Olivia, do you ever wish you'd have such long hair?
Yeah, that'd be really nice. My hair's pretty long though, see, look.
Yeah, maybe instead of doing the rainbow wall, maybe, Olivia, we need your hair for Rapunzel to come out.
Oh, that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
Maybe we can just use my hair for both of them.
Yeah, why don't we do that?
Like this. Can I do it like that?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, and then they can slide down my hair. Here, hold on.
Okay. Come on, Rapunzel and Tiana. Olivia, yay! Wow! You've made it! Go! Go! Oh! Olivia, you did an amazing job! You did it!
I'm so happy my hair was so long I could save the princesses!
Yeah, you did a good job!
Here! There's...
Thank you!
Yeah, I'll bring Tiana.
Yeah, why don't you come back again?
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
Wow!
Wow, I didn't know that my hair was that long that I was a ladder.
Yeah, you were.
Yeah, it was like my hair was a rope ladder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, how are you, princesses? Princess Tiana, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
And how about Rapunzel?
I'm okay, good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now I want to go to the prom. We want to go dancing at the prom. Yeah, Belle, you're going to bring us to Belle of the Ball.
Yeah, Belle of the Ball. Yay! And we can all go to the prom. Are we all prom ready? ready?
Yeah.
Does everyone look good?
Well, I don't know about the Belle does and Rapunzel and Tiana. They look very much ready. But where's your ball dress? And what about? I don't think I can go like this.
I don't think I can go like this either. I think maybe I have to.
If we go, I'm sure they won't let us in.
I think they'd let you in, but it would be fun for you to look nice.
Well, then let us dress for the prom and then get ready.
Yeah,
and then we go, okay?
Okay, let's get ready. Okay.
Kids, you find something very nice to dress.
Yeah.
So you can join us to go to the prom, okay?
Yeah. We'll go to the prom so soon.
Okay.
Yay.
Let's get ready, Olivia.
Let's get ready.
I know exactly what I'm gonna wear.
Ooh, I think I know what I'm gonna wear too.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Wow, Olivia, you look beautiful.
Wow, and you look so handsome.
Thank you. I purposely put on my
your tie?
red tie.
Yeah, I'm wearing my
tiara.
Yeah, my purple one. It matches Rapunzel's.
Yeah, that looks pretty. I think we can we can go to the prom now.
Yeah, I think we all look ready.
Now we look ready. Yeah.
So now we have to go to the giant mansion that holds the prom at it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Do you think everybody else is there now?
Probably. I don't know. Did Cinderella say what time the prom ends?
No, she didn't.
Ooh, I hope they're still there.
Yeah, we should hurry up.
Oh yeah,
right?
we should really hurry.
Okay, well, Rapunzel and Belle, lead us there.
Yeah.
And maybe with Tiana's help, we can go even faster.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Wow. Look at this.
Yeah, look, this is amazing.
Belle and Rapunzel, why don't you go to the others over here?
Yeah, and I'll put Tiana right here.
Perfect.
Nice. That's wonderful. Wow.
This is amazing.
This is amazing. I've never been to a ball before.
I haven't been here either. Look, above us, it's Elsa. Hey, Elsa.
Hi, Elsa.
And Moana is here. Oh, hey, Moana.
Have you ever been to the prom before?
No, I haven't.
Oh,
this is amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, and look, Jasmine is here too. And who's next to you?
And I've got Ariel and Tiana. Wow.
And Cinderella's here. Hey, Cinderella. Oh, we're so happy that we could come.
Yeah, we're glad that you invited us.
Yeah, this is amazing.
Look, Noah. Look.
What's going on?
Ribbit.
The frog.
Ribbit.
Oh,
look.
The prince frog.
It's the frog.
Oh, the prince frog.
Yeah, the prince frog.
Oh, Prince,
I wonder,
now we can help you.
Yeah, there are so many princesses here. One of the princesses just has to kiss the prince frog.
Oh, wait, who should it be?
Any takers?
Moana? Moana didn't want to do it. Elsa didn't want to do it either.
Tiana says, I would do it, but I'm not a real princess.
Yeah, Tiana, you can't do it. You're not a real princess.
Wait, but what if we turn Tiana into a princess?
Oh, let's turn Tiana into a princess.
Okay, Moana has like ocean powers, so maybe Moana can do it, or Elsa.
Yeah, what about Cinderella? She's right here.
Oh, yeah, Cinderella can do it. Okay,
Cinderella's here.
Can you turn Tiana into a princess?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Zimzalabim, you are now a princess. Wow. She looks so much more glowing, doesn't she?
Now I feel just like a princess.
Tiana, and now you can kiss the frog and turn him into a prince.
Oh, I will kiss the frog and turn him into a prince.
Here, Cinderella, you can stand back up there again. We're ready. Oh, a prince is here!
Oh, yeah, there's a prince! Hi, Prince!
Oh, you did save me after all.
Yeah,
you kissed me and I turned you into a frog. I'm very, very sorry, but you lied to me. You said you were a princess.
No, I didn't lie. You just didn't ask.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm happy now you released me from the spell. And you look so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm happy that you're released from the spell. You look very nice too.
May I kiss you now too?
Sure.
Let's dance.
Yeah, let's go to prom.
Doo-doo-doo.
Oh, Olivia, that was so beautiful. I think Tiana and the prince, they want to spend some time together. But may I ask you to dance with me too?
Oh, yes, I would love to dance with you, Noah.
Okay, well, let's put them aside.
Yeah.
And then how about you turn your music on?
Okay, yeah, I'll turn my music on.
Oh, that was so nice.
That was a wonderful prom.
Well, kids, I hope you enjoy your prom too and you have a lot of fun. We're going to keep on dancing, but we'll see you next time, okay, kids?
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!